Hello, I'm Jamie McLaren and I am the Business Development Manager for Lighting at Häfele UK Limited. Here what we're going to show you is the tunable white two-way mesh distributor. So from a simplification point of view, handful of part numbers, and on the box we can select the colour temperature for the client and then leave it for them on their kitchen or design. If they want to switch, same thing, plug the switch into the distributor and then we can give them an on-off sensor, which has also got a dimmer function built in. Or if you want to give the client ultimate control, then all we need to do is activate our mesh system in here and we'll be able to give them a remote, a wireless furniture switch, or even a wall plate switch. And there, again, we'll be able to give them on-off, dimming, and change color temperature. And on this side of the table, we're showing those same components, but this time the lighting is in the furniture behind the door. You've got a hardwired door switch here, so door closed, light off, door open, light on, and obviously you can change color to set it, or you have our new batteryless wireless kinetic door switch. So door closed, light off, door open, light on, and obviously that could be recess mount as well. So this is our new batteryless wireless kinetic door switch in situ. Obviously at the moment the light is off. Open the door, the light will go on, and that's it in its surface mount application. And then on this side, we have it in its recess application, but the door switch can activate scenes. Nice ambient glow, sat in the background, open the door, bright task light. And at Häfele, we have a huge portfolio of profiles, everything from recess mount to surface mount, including angles. So Häfele Lighting, backed by a 7-year guarantee and the best services. It can be plug and play system in component form for you, which is all available on our website, or submit a plan to us, tell us where you would like the light, and we would do the lighting design for you free of charge. We even offer a cut to order service, so the job will come to you in a package, take it out, and all you've got to do is fit it.